Cheers! Oh. I'm Steph, this is my husband Pete, and this is our 2-year-old son Hayes. We were selected by Airbnb to travel the world for a year, calling a new destination home for a month at a time. Subscribe to follow along. During this tour, we'll be exploring the historic Bang Rak neighborhood. We just met up with our guide Chanya, and she gave us a little bit of an introduction to the area we're in. So she told us Bang means city, like Bangkok, and Rak means love, and it's because a very long time ago, this area was on the river that led to the ocean, and so lots of people from lots of different places.
Chinese, yeah, they came here, and Indian, yeah, Portuguese and American.
And so the king gave them free land and said, as long as you live, you know, in peace together, hence the city of love. And now I think we're walking on what she said is the first concrete road in all of Thailand. Chanya was just saying that the area we're in was one of the really big clusters of COVID, and actually a lot of the shops have closed because the owners passed away and their kids, the younger generation, doesn't really want to continue on with the restaurants. So also the tour program has changed quite a bit just to places closing and people getting sick.
Let's go!
There's no lights in Bangkok. Often at the crosswalks you need magic hands.
Can you say duck? What noise did that make? Quack, 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 quack.
Camera always eat first.
Our first stop was to a little shop house that sells roasted duck on rice. It's Thai Chinese, and she explained that the Chinese have been here for hundreds of years, so they don't speak Chinese anymore, and they've adapted some of the Chinese flavors with their own Thai spices and ingredients. So at the first place, we also tried some dumplings that we bought on the street that was typical for breakfast. And then the next stop, she took us to try a bitter Thai Chinese drink that before there was a COVID vaccine, it was believed was good for COVID.
Preventing COVID.
Prevented COVID.
You want any more juice?
Just grabbed some mango sticky rice and
More. What? How do I say it again? Completely forgot.
Aroy.
Aroy.
It was
Aroy. No, Aroy mak.
Very delicious. And we couldn't eat it in the shop because a lot of shops are still closed, and they also think that foreigners are bringing new variants of COVID. Don't blame them. So we ate it in this lovely temple garden. This is Wat Swan Plu. Plu means garden. Swan is betel because they used to chew the betel nut, and this was a big betel market, and they thought at the time that white teeth weren't sexy, black teeth were sexy, so everybody would chew all the betel nut, and this was a big garden for it and market, I believe. Hope so. Cheers! Oh! Oh! Got a really strong stomach. Thank you. I told Pete that when he retires, that can be his next job.
Can you have a vacuum cleaner with it, or just,
maybe a
just
Dyson?
brooms?
We're just walking through the area near the pier in the Mandarin Oriental, and she's explained a few times that 40, 50 years ago when foreigners came to Bangkok, they would stay here, but now there's 5-star hotels everywhere, so this area is a bit dead and not what it used to be.
Also, you might recognize this pier from another one of our videos, and where we weren't able to get the ferry. We have to go into the Mandarin Oriental.
You still can't say that, can you?
What? No, yeah. Thank you.
Oh,
wow.
You're gonna love this.
Try it. It's fried.
Just Mina.
Banana.
You're gonna like it, guys.
Whoa!
We also walked by a big Catholic church on the way to this pier. I don't remember any more facts to give you.
So the Chao is mean king. Phraya is river. King of the river.
Is this like the Flushing ferry?
just crossing the ferry from Bangkok to Thonburi. Thonburi was the third capital of Thailand. It was the capital for about 15 years. I don't know what we're going to do. Find out. Probably eat something. We're back on the boat, heading back to Bangkok. We just went across the river to go to a northern Thai restaurant. So she was saying it was kind of like Thai Lao influenced. We had some soup, we had some sticky rice, we had some fried chicken with lemongrass, and we had some somtam papaya salad. I think you're gonna like this stuff, guys.
The tea itself is bitter. The Thai people like sweet, like creamy. We adapt it. We add more condensed milk. We add sugar. Not enough condensed milk. Add more fresh milk. Milk and the sugar and milk and milk and milk. You know, so we make it more creamy and sweet. So this is a traditional Thai tea, milk tea.
You see how I did that?
What?
I was squeezing it to make it more a dramatic shot.
Do you like it? Are you gonna let me try any?
This is my kind of thing. Oh, do you want some?
I don't know you're being it.
Yeah.
It's just not my kind of thing.
I think Steph prefers my buns.
Am I gonna put that in there?
All right, mate.
We're just headed to our last stop, a restaurant that the royal family owns for green curry. But she said we were gonna get ice cream. However, Hayes couldn't hang. He fell asleep, so he's gonna miss out on that ice cream cone he was really excited about 5 minutes ago. Oh, I didn't record any of that.
You good? Okay, take two.
Take two.
Take two. Did you get that? Okay.
Thank you. Kapun ka.
จ้าขอบคุณค่ะ